All right. So welcome, and today I'll just be giving you guys a tour of this new web app I built using Python and Django. All right. So let me just throw in a bit of context so we can understand exactly what is going on. So imagine you are a digital creator. So let's say, for example, you create digital products, etc. Not etc. Rather examples. Let's say you do like music, or you create like instrumentals, or you create like digital arts, something like that, right? And then you want a way where you can sell this product online, because a digital product is not really like a physical product, because a digital product is only used digitally, right? So from your phones or your iWatch or whatever the case might be, but you want a platform where you can sell these products, right? So that was the concept I used while building this web application. So just to save you guys some time, I added the products that I want to be selling from the back end. So let me just show you guys how that looks like. So I just added the products. So this is like HTML UI templates. This is like the price, then the description. Obviously, I'm an admin, so this is how it's going to look like for me. Well, not really. I can actually customize this, but I just want to keep things very simple. This is the default Django admin panel that gets generated for you when you create a new project, right? So I added the package that could be downloaded and used, right, depending on how the case might be. And then obviously I saved and I added extra just to make it bulky and everything. So when I come over to the front facing part of the website, let me just show you guys how the landing page looks like. So when you have guests come to the website to purchase products, all right, they can obviously look at the products available. All right, so when we click on description, we can see the description, right, of what exactly the product is doing or can do, and we can also see the price as well too. All right, and then when we also look at, I was about showing you guys something. Yeah, so if we try to add to carts, right? So we can't add to cart because it's going to take, because we are not logged in as as a user. So we have to log in first before we can add product to cart, or before we can even make any purchase, right? Okay, cool. So very quickly, we're going to be creating an account, and then we're going to be seeing how this works. So let me just log in, and I'm going to sign up. So let's just sign up as Sudochi. All right, so Dochi at email.com, and then username is Udochi. Then let me just quickly enter my password. All right, so sign in. Okay, probably I didn't get the password correctly. Let me try it again. So Udochi, I don't think I got the password correct. That was why it gave me that error. So sign in. Now it takes me to the home screen, but the only thing is that I am now logged in. All right, so I'm now an active user. You can see things like cards, which wasn't available when we were touring the website as guests. All right, so obviously if I click on cards, I don't have any cards active in this login session, so it's going to tell me my card is empty. Add an item to view card details. Right, cool. So I can simply come over here. Maybe I like this graphics design. I can click on description to see how everything looks like. Okay, I like this. I can just add to carts. So you can see this is one. All right. And I like Chidi's album. Okay, let's see what exactly he did on that album. And then I can just add to cart from here if I don't want to view description. Probably this might just give me an idea of the whole thing. And I can obviously see the price for me as well too. So once I add to cart, this is going to give me two. Okay, just pause on this moment. So if I go to purchase products, obviously I won't see anything here because I haven't purchased any product yet. All right. So I need to purchase a product for me to see those things there, and then I can download it as well so from here. So now okay, let's say I just want these two things, right? I just want the graphic design and I just want Chidi's digital album. And okay, cool. I want to go to my cart and then make my payment. So I'll click on carts. Then I can see the two items I want, or the two products I want. And then I'll just click on checkout. All right. So checkout gives me the total amount that I have to pay, which is 15K. So 10 obviously plus 5 is 15, and I'm going to pay 15K for this. So I'll just click on make payments. Now this is going to be handled by Paystack, and this is not yet in production. This is in tests. So that's why you can see tests. So which means no real money is being transferred. Everything is just test. But this is how it's going to look like in production. But you just kind of replicate. Excuse me. Just kind of replicating what exactly I'm going to see in production. But just to make sure that I don't have to be spending unnecessarily, I'm just going to be using a test method to do this, right? So when I click on success and I pay 15K, now what will happen is it tells me payment successful, and then it redirects me to the home page telling me payments completed. You can now log in, sorry, you can now download your products. So if I click on purchase products, I see the two products that I just purchased. All right, so graphic design and to this digital album. So if I click on download, now this is going to download for me. As you can see, this is downloaded, right? Now if I also want to download this one, so I also come here and then I am going to what's going on, download. So download again. Let's see. This should get downloaded. I don't know why it's wasting time like this to download. Let me refresh. All right, so download. Yeah, so you can see that's downloads. All right, so now we can see that once I've completed my purchase, you can see, yeah, then okay, so I think that was the first one. This one is the second one that just came in. All right, so once I complete a purchase, you can see that my cart comes back to zero. If I click on it, it's going to tell me that my cart is empty, obviously, because I've already checked out everything. All right. So if I log out and then I log in back again, all right. So obviously I don't have any active carts in this session. If I click on cart, it's going to tell me cart is empty, add items to view cart details, right? And if I click on purchase products, obviously I can still see my products here. Even if I log in 10 years time, I can still see my products here and I can still download them and make use of them accordingly to according to the license or how I should make use of them. So that is just like an overview of how yours can be like, of how you can create this type of platform to sell your digital products online and make money, actually make money. So if you like this video, you can obviously do what you have to do best: like, subscribe, comment, and share to your loved ones to see how they can build something similar. This is just like a prototype actually. And yeah, all right, have fun and bye.